Hello YouTube, this is Chris Creations for another Black Ops 2 gameplay on standoff hardpoint. I am on some league play, so let's see how it goes.
Hardpoint.
You guys are gonna be on YouTube? Just saying.
Secure
You guys gonna be on YouTube?
Hardpoint identified.
Sticky out!
It's my gamer tag.
We've taken control.
I started it yesterday, but I only have 4.
EKIA!
But I'll be getting more.
Hardpoint contested.
Sticky out! Enemy with weapon! Attack reload!
Hardpoint is ours. We've taken the lead.
Come on, dude, I'm the one leading this team.
Hardpoint contested.
Sticky going out!
Yeah.
Kill confirmed.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested.
Let's go, let's go!
Hardpoint identified.
Got a threat!
God, I think I was just springing him in the corner.
Drop them. Concussion out!
Hardpoint contested.
He's gone. Sticky going out!
Hardpoint identified. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
On your feet!
Hardpoint locked down.
Threat neutralized. Crossing flash! Can't confirm. Sticky going out!
Friendly lightning strike inbound. Friendly Hellstorm missile inbound.
Snipers down! Move up!
Yeah, dude, me and Cheeseman are going crazy.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
But yeah, YouTube, I hope you guys like this commentary.
Shot out! Sticky out! Concussion out!
Lightning strike on standby.
Marshal 1-2 has moved up over your position, scanning for threats.
Hardpoint identified. Hostiles have the hardpoint.
EKIA! Reloading.
Our sensor is captured.
Hardpoint is ours.
Where is everybody at?
Establishing the overhead, ready for tasking.
Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Friendly lightning strike inbound. Hardpoint contested.
Visual teams moved up over your position, scanning for threats.
Lightning strike coordinates received inbound.
Drop
Cover
it.
strike.
Friendly Hellstorm missile inbound. Hardpoint identified.
He's done.
What customers are you guys going for?
Friendly Hellstorm missile inbound.
They're raging because of me. Going to like 13-2, I think. No, like 15-2. Sorry for the migration. It just host is stupid and likes to leave.
Hostiles have the hardpoint. AGR awaiting orders. AGR inbound. Hardpoint contested.
And yes, I did just get an AGR. Let's go.
Threat neutralized.
Lightning strike coordinates received inbound. Hardpoint identified. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Hardpoint locked down. Lightning strike coordinates inbound. Friendly Hellstorm missile inbound.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to get my, I don't think I'm gonna get it this game, but I was trying to
Tossing flash.
get my, my vtol-warship. I don't think I'll be good at this game.
Hardpoint identified. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
Changing.
Maybe I can get it this game.
Hardpoint is ours.
I don't want to run out because I don't want to die.
Threat neutralized.
Keep pressing the fight. Order ahead.
He's gone.
Let's go.
Warship on standby.
That's what I just got.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
Vtol-warship.
Lethal warship inbound.
Scanning for threats.
Hardpoint is ours. Friendly lightning strike inbound.
Confirmed 2 KIA. Good effects. Target destroyed.
Hellstorm missile inbound.
Reconfirmed.
Yeah! Woo!
1-1 is our aim.
Sales, your mission directive has been achieved.
Okay, YouTube, I hope you liked it. Like, comment, and subscribe. So, it's your boy Chris Creations, signing out.